Hello everybody, this is our 126 S-Class Mercedes 3000cc, 180 something horsepower from 87, from the time when the cars were built to last. So it means less plastic, more metal. Before a couple days ago I washed her detail wash with the power washer underneath, 3-4 hours of washing, and now she's on the lift ready to be painted. This car is going to be for sale, so we want to show to potential customers what's underneath. So no fake repair. Inner arches are more than good. There is no hidden rust in the corners. You know, it's not important for us what's outside, what's visible. It's way more important what's inside and not visible. That can cause a serious headache, whoever wants to invest money in this car. So those days we're gonna fix basic things. For example, the petrol tank goes out, we'll clean from inside. Petrol pump, brake lines. I saw one bushing over there is not good, so we're gonna change that. We're gonna sandblast the rims. We're gonna buy new tires, and whoever watched this, it's more than welcome to approach us by telephone call or mail. If you want to be a part of this project, you are more than welcome. So we're going to use this material as a proof that the car is good underneath and there is no tricks, headaches in the future. So let me show you, for example, this exhaust. It's a surface rust, but it's in excellent condition. The other part is over there. There is still a sticker on it. There is no visible damages on the petrol lines, on the braking lines. There is no visible damages, mechanical damages, and which is more important, there is no leaking oil from the sump. There is no leaking oil from the diff. There is no leaking oil from the braking lines. There is no drips of coolant from the radiator. All the feathers on the radiator are in meticulous condition. There is no oxidation on the electrical wirings, alternator, starter. Everything looks, there is patina or whatever, but everything looks more than good. Suspension is covered by surface rust. That's my favorite rust. It's not deep, it's not crumbling, so we can clean that and paint that. Later we're going to go on a test drive and we will see is there any squeaking of bouncing or whatever, so we will fix that all. Corners on the front arches are more than good. They are still waxed. It's not, you know how they say the God drives Mercedes. The problem with these cars is that they are indestructible, but the people were trying to prove that opposite, right? To destroy them. This one was in the good hands. The good thing about this car is that this car was in the shed for like 20 years and it started from very first time. Here in our workshop is a couple days and it starts perfect. About engine, this engine can take you to the moon and the back if you can buy a petrol. It's 3000cc, I said already, 6 in the line, 180 horsepower. I don't think that's so much important for the people who likes these cars. I don't have to say more about this car. Couple more things. This surface rust will be covered by de-rusted, and we will cover that with a rust converter. Then we will paint in some resistant paint, and the body will paint in the body shots. Everything else is on the way. Later when we finish that, we're gonna paint full car from outside. Luckily all the chrome trims and all the small details which makes the car perfect are on the place. So we are more than happy with the look and behavior of this car. So be free to contact us if you want to know more about it. Thanks. So, as we know, God personally drives Mercedes, this one. Suspension is done, floor is done, checked, no major breakdowns. Some mechanical parts we're not happy with, like one bushing and few rubbers which holds the exhaust are not good, so we're going to change it. I'm going to put that on the list and we're going to change it. And as you can see, the seat is out, wheels are off, and now it's time to show you what kind of damages our Mercedes have, so we can fix them, paint them, and sell them. Let's see it. For this 30 and more years old lady, this is more than good boot area. There is a surface rust here, but anyway, we remove the windscreen and we're gonna treat this. If it's welding, if it's necessary, we'll do it. But I'm more than happy, so the happiness is flying everywhere. There is few dots that has to be grained, checked, rust treated. The reason why we move upholstery, seats and other things is because we don't want to damage them, and we are looking for more damages. Hope we won't find them, but later this will be a good proof that we did a good job. We didn't break nothing, all the chrome is fine. Doors are more than good. Hinges are working, nothing squeaking. Check it out inside. Now I'm going to close the doors with the big bam. Like a Mercedes. See, this panel is off. As you can see, there is no rust, which is more than good, so the doors are fine. This rust that you can see on the car is just a surface rust, but anyway, it has to be cleaned and treated properly. We decide on the company meeting with a lot of shouting and screaming and cursing that we're gonna throw away this bonnet, and we have the other one, so we're gonna change. It's not worth of fixing. It's way easier to change a new one. In the next couple days, we will remove these trims around to see is there any damages around the windscreen. It's a good sign. There is no rust at the top and the surface. Probably will be nothing here, but anyway, we'll remove, sandblast this aluminum and paint again. So that's it. This is just a small announcement for the next couple of weeks labor that we have to do on this car, and I hope that you'll be happy with our results. Thanks.